In today's financial news, the U.S. stock market continues to show remarkable resilience in the face of civil unrest. Despite the recent unsettling events at the nation's capital, the market has kept its rally alive, keeping pace with a historical trend that sees Wall Street unfazed by social upheaval, provided it doesn't directly impact earnings or economic growth. Looking back, we see this resilience echoed in past events. The assassination of President Kennedy, civil rights marches, and the Vietnam War protests, for example, were all significant societal disruptions, yet the stock market remained largely unaffected. However, not all events leave the market unscathed. Consider the 9/11 attacks, the 2008 financial crisis, and the COVID-19 shutdowns. These events, being true exogenous shocks, had a profound impact on consumer and investor behavior, disrupting the economy on a grander scale. So what does this tell us? Well, it seems the stock market is less a barometer for social turbulence and more a reflection of the actions of consumers, corporations, and policymakers. The stock market's behavior, it seems, is more influenced by the actions of consumers, corporations, and policymakers than by isolated incidents of civil unrest. In other news, a surge in child hunger is overwhelming even the richest counties in the U.S. This growing crisis is a stark contrast to the wealth one would expect to find in affluent places like Bergen County, New Jersey. However, the COVID-19 pandemic has not spared these communities, leading to an unexpected and distressing increase in child hunger. The charitable food system, ordinarily a lifeline for those facing food insecurity, is buckling under the strain. More families than ever are turning to food pantries, having lost their income due to the pandemic. These pantries, designed to provide a safety net for those in need, are struggling to keep up with the demand. Federal relief efforts have been initiated, providing some measure of assistance. However, they face significant challenges. The lack of a robust safety net is a glaring issue, as is the need for better coordination among pantries. The infrastructure that was once sufficient is now proving inadequate, revealing the cracks in a system under pressure. In wealthy areas like Bergen County, another obstacle emerges: the stigma around seeking help. Many families now facing food insecurity for the first time are reluctant to reach out. The pride and privacy associated with affluence often act as barriers to receiving necessary aid, exacerbating the problem further. The silver lining in this grim scenario is the increase in donations to food charities. People are stepping up to help, demonstrating the inherent goodwill that communities can harness in times of crisis. However, the need is growing faster than the aid can keep up with, underscoring the ongoing challenges in addressing the root causes of hunger. While donations to food charities have increased, the need is growing faster, highlighting ongoing challenges in addressing the root causes of hunger.